never seen her as happy as she is. I've never seen him as happy. They complement each other very well. I just think they get each other. They balance each other out. Their love is undeniable.
Yeah.
The other day when we pulled into the driveway, he did a wheelie on his bike and he fell on his back. And we were just looking at him. She's like, it's every day. I was like, oh my God. They balance each other.
I realized, as they were just talking to each other, what true love really looked like, and it looked so beautiful on my best friend. You two really complete each other, and it has really shown me that soulmates really do exist.
Today I feel really excited and starting to feel nervous about I'm nervous about reading my vows in front of everyone. But mostly excited.
I just wanna be your morning light, and the sun come up with you by my side. I just wanna be your morning light. Fire burns down and the embers slow, but I never get cold when it's you I hold. When the fire burns down and the embers slow,
First thing I remember about when they met was Nick was completely head over heels for Brittany.
They're honestly just the best of friends, and it's stupid. They are. I'm the best man, and I really appreciate the honor. But if he could pick anybody, it wouldn't be me. The best man is supposed to be the best friend, and I'm not his best friend. I'm a really good friend. Brittany is his best friend, and it's not even close. It's not even close, guys.
I'll put it away.
Just a little hand.
Yeah! You're not feeling it? There's tiny hands. Alright. Hi,
I have your present too.
I was wondering, I was like, I haven't seen it. Am I supposed to grab right now?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Brittany! Oh my gosh. Your smile. Oh no, it's getting rained on. No. Just look at Brittany. Oh my gosh, look at you. So pretty.
He's like, Chase, you have to be there. And I was like, fine, I'll go to Zoo Lights. And then next thing you know, I went to go take a picture for them. And then he starts to get down and I dropped my phone and I just started sobbing because I was like, no way. And it was beautiful, absolutely beautiful.
When they got engaged, I thought it was hilarious because Chase did not know, but I did, and so I was supposed to be taking a picture, and so Brittany was very confused as to why Nick was acting so weird because she's like, hug me, and he's trying to get ready to get down on a knee, and then all of a sudden you hear, oh, shh, look, something special is happening, and you can actually hear that in the video, and then the whole crowd just is like, oh, and so the rest of the time everybody's walking past going, congratulations, and so Brittany's bawling, and Nick's like, got this big cheesy grin on his face, and everybody's congratulating them as they walk past, so it was pretty cute.
Brittany, it is great to be loved, but it's even better to be understood and cared for, and that's exactly how I feel about us. No matter who we are or what we do, with long dramatic pauses, we still love each other, no matter what happens between us, and we accept it and embrace it. It is very important to me that every day I make you smile, feel loved, and also make you laugh, even if that causes myself to do considerable physical harm. I love everything about you, your smile, your eyes, your beauty, your compassion, and your caring heart.
When I met you, my soul knew that you were the person. My mind was made up almost instantly that you were going to be stuck with me forever. You have been the person I lean on since the day that I've met you, and you have never let me down. I am completely humbled by the fact that you chose me to spend the rest of your life with, and I wake up every morning thankful that you did. I'll never take you for granted. My heart will be your shelter and my arms will be your home. As I have given you my hands to hold, I give you my life to keep.
That was good.
You are the love of my life, and I cannot wait to see what the future holds.
That was good.